Hello buddy, today I will share to you how to download and install the Cisco Packet Tracer properly. Please open your browser. I will use the Chrome and then tap on your search bar as Cisco Packet Tracer and please click this link and then below Otis Packet Tracer please click the download Packet Tracer here. Make sure you have registered and then please scroll down and you will notice there is an start learning. Please click this one and then please click the get start with self-paced. Now please log in using the email from your colleagues. Just click again the green button and then please click the module 1 download and use Cisco Packet Tracer. And on the right bar, please scroll down and find the Packet Tracer downloading app. Please visit this link. Now you can download the Cisco Packet Tracer and please make sure the operating system that you choose is similar with your operating system specification. I am using the Windows 16 4-bit, so I will download this one and just don't install it. And after you install, please open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now please click the Cisco skill for all. You will require to download, for register this account. Now you will receive the notification about you have successfully logged in into Cisco Packet Tracer and you can use the Packet Tracer for free.